Hello everyone, welcome to a Soul Tarot Prediction, guys. This is the monthly reading for May 2021 for the zodiac sign Aquarius. This is the second last zodiac which I have to complete. If you wish to book and enroll for the session, one-on-one session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. This is a situationship reading. That means either it is related to career or relationship. Okay, so the situation you are going through currently, Aquarius, for the month of May. Aquarius, you are experiencing a lot of things about yourself and the people around you. Okay, if you'll convert your passion into profession, that will be really good for you. Okay, so yeah. Aquarius, you are going through a lot of maturity, realization, people around you, how they are treating you, and understanding a lot of facts. Like your experiences have taught you a lot of maturity. Okay, so yeah. Well, you feel that there is a past life connection with someone. Okay, it can be either friend, parents, it can be a spouse, it can be neighbor, it can be anything. There's a past life connection with the people. Now those relations can be karmic also, those relations can be soulmate also. Okay, or twin flame also. Okay, it depends. Okay, you feel that there is a lack of understanding into a situation, no one understands you. Okay, you feel that there are certain things which is getting delayed. Okay, like something is not into your favor, everything is getting delayed into a situation. Okay, yes, there is a lot of imbalance going on between inside of you and outside of you. That's the thing. You feel very confused, conflicted related to a situation. Okay, you are still holding on to the past. You haven't moved on completely, spiritually, emotionally, and physically and practically till now. Okay, there's a certain amount of guilt related to a situation. Okay, certain amount of guilt related to a person or a situation. Okay, yes, you have a new vision, new outlook. Okay, wait guys, let me switch on the light. Well, yes. Okay, so yeah, it's now visible. Actually, I thought, okay, there's a new vision. Okay, you're waiting for a new vision, something to happen, something new is on your mind. Okay, whether it's starting your new career, starting a new business, starting something new in life. You feel very much in control of a situation. Very much. That's either someone is controlling you or you are controlling someone. Okay, that's why you feel really bad and stuck about a situation. Okay, that's the thing. Let's see in tarots. Okay, there was a third party interference somewhere, or you were feeling heartbroken in the past, and now you are ready to move on, or you have completely started moving on from a situation from the past. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I just want to tell you that either someone is rushing towards you or you want to go ahead towards someone or something. Either it may be a new career, new option, new business, new job, or relocating, shifting with your spouse, or it can be anything. Okay, in any situation you are daydreaming about achieving something. Okay, daydreaming about achieving a goal, aim. Okay, either it's a person you want to achieve, or you have a thought process, or you are daydreaming about a person, or else about a new career or new business offer. Okay, yes, if two people are into separation, then a reconciliation is possible this month. Okay, if not, like my readings come true within 4 months, like within 2 weeks to 4 months. Okay, so reconciliation is possible during that time. If not, then a decision has to be made related to a situation, and some of you might get pregnant or might be pregnant, and a boy might happen. Like, there's a situation where you will give a birth to a baby boy. Okay, so yeah. Okay, ending something, you are ending something and starting something new, or you are waiting to end something. It ending of delays, postpones, whatever is not into your favor, you're waiting for endings and new beginnings on the horizon for you. Okay, it is happening, but it will be coming slow. Okay, not this month due to this pandemic, but it might come true in next 2-3 weeks. Okay, like there is a lack of opportunity, or you are waiting for some sort of an opportunity which is coming and making a u-turn and going. That's the situation you're going through. Okay, so okay. Okay, I don't know. I am shuffling the cards. Two cards are coming. I want one card. You are stuck into a situation, 100%, because otherwise cards would not have come. Okay, there is a major changes happening, is going to happen. Okay, major shifts, major changes are on the horizon for you. You might be moving forward in life. Okay, also one more thing, if you are thinking that past is going to come back, it will not. Okay, so past is not going to come back. Okay, so you just need to be careful. You are ready to, you are going to make a decision. Okay, not a decision to leave the past behind and move forward in life. Okay, exploring other options, going ahead. Okay, moving towards a new city, relocating, shifting. Okay, trust your intuition level more, Aquarius. Okay, if you are not trusting your intuition level, you'll be a little bit confused this month. Okay, but yes, definitely the situation will be good only for you. Like, trust yourself. Okay, not just someone else. Yes, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, two connections. You're evaluating basically the pros and the cons. Okay, yes, waiting for a money related opportunity which is coming your way. Okay, the opportunity of money will be coming your way in the next 4 months. Grab that opportunity. Okay, yes, and it will be related to money. Okay, and if you have completely moved on, or you are going to move on completely for sure. Okay, don't, you won't be thinking about the past, about the person who left you out in the cold, or to whom you left out in the cold, whatever it is. But yeah, no more disappointments are there. Some of you might get married, or some might, if you are Aquarius and you are single, then you might get in a proposal of getting married. Okay, for a long term commitment. Or else, you know, if you are already seeing a person, then I think you might get a roka fight with some person. Okay, it might be arranged marriage, it might be love marriage, but yeah, you might get involved into a long term commitment or a relationship very soon in the next 5 to 6 months. Okay, so yeah, I don't know, but your cards are so stuck that it's falling like anything. Okay, one last card now. Okay, you are being very emotional, not practical sometimes. Okay, you feel very emotional related to a situation. Okay, so yeah, let's see what is are your life purpose cards saying. Okay, you can become a good speaker, motivational speaker, orator, writer, script writer. You can be a very good speaker. Okay, if you are really searching for a field, or you are already involved into that. Aquarius, you love reading book, or else, you know, if you will connect yourself with the books, your life purpose through your involvement is involved. Okay, like you connect to your life purpose through your involvement with books. Okay, if you really need a clarity, you should read a lot of books. Okay, some of you Aquarius might become a tarot card reader as well. Okay, or predict some future related to astrology, palmistry. Okay, so yes, instead of worrying, if you have a lot of questions about yourself, Aquarius, you know, trust yourself and ask from the guardian angel. Okay, because universe is protecting you right now, and whatever will happen for the good. Okay, so yeah, you are thinking to travel, or some of you love traveling. So if you are really interested into that, you can involve your business in related to traveling, exploring, vacation, you know, like travel and tourism. Okay, you can do your business related to traveling. Okay, some of you might already be doing. Okay, so the angels are supporting you, guiding you, and protecting you right now. Whatever your dreams are there, that is about to become a reality. Okay, so yeah, some of you love nature. Okay, like you like spending time with nature, animals and everything. Okay, so you might become an environmentalist, or else a nurturer, an earth caretaker, and a street dog lover. You know, some of you might start an NGO as well. Okay, or might be working through an organization which works for the charity of people and welfare of the people and dogs. Okay, so yeah, it's very good. Wow. Now it's a love reading, guys. Okay, Aquarius, some of you you have attraction towards someone. Okay, either physically attracted or mentally attracted, but you have a crush. Okay, so yeah, chemistry is there. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Okay, and you really feel that, you know, this is the person with you know, if you are already romantically involved with someone, and or are you in a still already in a relationship, then you know that this is the person you want in your life. Okay, and if you are single, then I think, you know, you are going to meet, or you have already met that person that is your crush, and you feel that, you know, you have that certain sort of connection with this person. Okay, 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 if you have control issue, if you have been very controlling in the past, okay, and if the other person was very controlling in the past into a relationship, you need to let go of that control issues you have. Okay, you need to let go of that situation and let the situation unfold naturally. Okay, in the next relationship, do not be like, you know, do not be controlling. Give the space and the time to your partner. Okay, you need a lot of space and freedom in a relationship. Okay, past, you feel that, you know, there is a past life connection, and you have known someone from the past lifetime before also. It might be a twin flame connection as well. You have known each other from before. Okay, Aquarius, for some of you, your love life might be affected with your children, like, you know, due to the children, fights are happening, issues are going on into your romantic life. Okay, this might be the case. Okay, but you need to understand that you need to open your heart chakra, heal your heart chakra, and allow your heart and soul to sing with the joy. Be passionate. You have a passion about it, though you suppress your feelings, but you and the other person have the passion. Okay, especially you, I'm telling, because this is your reading. Okay, yeah, you need to go on a vacation with your spouse. If you are already married, go out in a vacation. If you are single, go out, and you might meet someone, you know, which could be the one. Okay, it might be that case. Okay, you need to disconnect from the world and go out on a vacation and have a, you know, romantic time. Okay, so yeah, guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, Aquarius, take care.